welcome back to the class. So in this class now we are solving another questions. So let's see how to solve the questions on derivation of x. So now we have 3 questions to solve. Solution: find the derivatives of each of the following. So solution, now we have A, we have y equals to minus 2, which is minus 2 is constant, minus 2 is a constant of minus 2 or x is power 3. So now we have the y now over the x. Now the minus equals to minus 2. The 3 will come down to multiply the constants. Then we repeat x is power 3. Subtract 1 from it. So we have the y over the x now equals to minus 6, which is minus 2 times 3. X is power 2. That is that. It's very simple. B, we have y equals to minus 2 over 3. X is power 4. X is power 4. So before we come down and multiply the constants, we have the x now equals to minus 2 over 3 times 4. Repeat x is power 4 and subtract 1. So we have the y over the x equals to, that will be minus 8 over 3. X is power 3. Very simple. So for C, we have y equals to 3x is power 2. So C, we have y equals to 3 equals to 3. X is power 1 over 2. So still apply the same procedure. So which is 3 times 1 over 2, which is the power, times x is power 1 over 2 minus 1. Then we have the y over the x equals to 3 over 2 x is power 1 over 2 minus 1. So now if you simplify the fraction, we are having the y over the x equals to 3 over 2 x is power. At the end you have minus 1 over 2. So this. Thanks for watching this video. In the next class we'll be looking into another part of calculus. See you.